Front wheels, front wheels, front wheels, front wheels. Look at this. Look at all his wheels he's got. He's a big train, Gordon, isn't he?
He is a big train.
He is a big train. He is a big train. Look how big he is. Look how huge he is. Here's the windows for the driver. There's the driver. Okay, here's the driver inside. What a big train.
What number's Gordon, Louis?
He's
Number
4.
4. Oh, that's funny. I was going to say 4. Here's a 4. Look,
Edward.
there's a 4.
There's no Edward.
This is Edward here, I think. E D W A R D. I'm not so good at drawing.
How about
James. Okay.
James?
3 minutes to bath time then, Louis.
Nearly bath time, yeah. Okay, on the new page. Are you ready for a new page? This is the best train. This is going to be a really good train. Okay? Not very good with the right hand. Oh, that's a good train though. Better put a cow catcher on them. Back wheel. Oops. Wheels. Wheels. Wheels.